Hi, my name is Aditya Siddhartha and I am from Triply department. Today I am here to explain about a topic in energy audit management, and the topic is concept of benchmarking. First of all, what is benchmarking? It can be defined as a process for improving performance by constantly identifying, understanding, and adapting best practices and a process followed inside and outside the company and implementing the results. The main emphasis of benchmarking is not on best performance but on improvising a given business operation or a process by exploiting best practices. Benchmarking is an ongoing outreach activity. The goal of the outreach is identification of the best operating practices that, when implemented, produce super performance. Bogan and English benchmarking for best practices. Benchmarking refers to a measure of best practice performance. Benchmarking is a systematic search for best practices, innovative ideas, and highly effective operating procedures. It measures performance against that of the best in the class organization. Types of benchmarking: strategic benchmarking and performance benchmarking, and process benchmarking, functional benchmarking, internal benchmarking, and external benchmarking, and international benchmarking. First of all, let's see about strategic benchmarking. It is used where businesses need to improve overall performance by examining the long-term strategies and general approaches that have enabled high performers to succeed. It involves considering high-level aspects such as core competencies. This type of benchmarking is suitable when the company has to rely on business strategies that have become inappropriate. Performance benchmarking, also known as competitive benchmarking. It is used when organizations consider their positions in relation to performance characteristics of key products and services. Benchmarking partners are usually drawn from the same sector. This type of benchmarking is suitable for assessing relative levels of performance in key areas or activities in comparison with others in the same sector to find ways of closing gaps in performance. Process benchmarking. It is used by the organization when the focus is on improving specific critical processes and operations. Benchmarking partners are sought from best practice organization and are drawn from the same sector. This type of benchmarking is suitable for achieving improvements in key processes to obtain quick and short-term benefits. Functional benchmarking, and also known as generic benchmarking. It can lead the organization to innovation and dramatic improvements. It is used when organizations look to benchmark with partners drawn from different businesses, sectors, or areas of activity. This type of benchmarking is suitable for improving activities or services for which counterparts do not exist. Internal benchmarking. It involves seeking partners from within the same organization and from business units located in different regions. The main advantages are access to sensitive data and information, availability of standardized This type of benchmarking is suitable when several business units within the same organization exemplify good practice and management and want to spread this expertise quickly throughout the organization. External benchmarking. It involves analyzing outside organizations that are known to be the best in the class. It provides opportunities of learning from those who are at the learning edge. This type of benchmarking is suitable where examples of good practices can be found in other organizations and there is a lack of good practices within internal business units. International benchmarking. This is used when the best practitioners are located in other countries. This is due to globalization and advances in the information technology. There is a need for careful analysis and interpretation due to national differences. This type of benchmarking is suitable where the aim is to achieve world-class status or simply because there are insufficient national businesses against which to benchmark. Benchmarking process comprises of 5 stages. 1. Planning. 2. Analysis. 3. Integration. 4. Action. 5. Maturity. First, planning. Identify benchmarking subject. Identify benchmarking partners. Determine data collection methodology and collect data. And next, in analysis, determine current competitive gap and project future performance. And in integration, communicate findings and gain acceptance and establish functional goals. And in action, develop action plans, implement plans and monitor progress and recalibrate benchmark. And then maturity attained, leadership position attained, and practice fully integrated into process. Now Cost of benchmarking. There are three types of costs: visit cost, tank cost, benchmarking data based costs. First of all, visit cost. These include hotel rooms, travel costs, meals, token gift, and lost labor time. Now, tank cost. The members of the benchmarking team will be investigating time in researching problems. Now, benchmarking database cost. Organizations that institutionalized benchmarking into their daily procedures find it is useful to create and maintain a database of best practices and the companies associated with each best practice. Now, limitation to benchmarking. Benchmarking is a tough process that needs a lot of commitment to succeed. It is a time consuming and expensive. More often than not, benchmarking processes end with the "they are different from us" syndrome or competitive sensitivity that prevents the free flow of necessary information. Now let's see some of common pitfalls in benchmarking. Lack of management commitment and involvement. Not applied in critical areas first. Inadequate resources. No involvement of the line organization. Scope not well defined. Too many performance measures. Critical success factors and performance drivers not understood or identified. Potential partners ignored. Poorly designed questionnaires. Inappropriate data collection method. Too much or inconsistent data. Analysis paralysis, excessive precision. Management resistance to change. No repeat benchmarking. Thank you.